So this person has a lot to say, so let us see what is it. They thought that it was an illusion. They thought that your love for them wasn't true and it was all fake, and it was this person who did everything. But now that you have pulled your energy back, this person is realizing that they were in the wrong. This person is totally regretting. This person knows that this person has messed up. It is like it is a bond, it is a bondage that this person can't come out. The regret, the guilt is pending up in this person. This person is really regretting and is feeling that you were the only one who saw the good in this person. Like, even this person somehow thinks that what did you even see in them? Okay, so this person is like, you love them so much and you were the only person who loved them deeply, dearly, and made them feel that they are the best person on the earth. But now that you have pulled your energy back, even still, even you miss them. This person knows that you miss them, but you are not going to go back to them, and this person is really regretting this thing. This person wanted a union because why would anybody not want that the other person not love me? But this person always feels that you are always by this person's side, but it is like this person can't really go and give you a hug because this person didn't act right. This person didn't act the way that a person should. This person really has a lot to say to you and is feeling that what should I do. One card flew out. So this person really misses your playfulness, like the attitude you had towards them. Even in stressful situations, you were the one who would go and say that everything will get better, don't worry, everything is fine. And after things, you both were together and things started getting usual, ordinary. So your person felt that the honeymoon period that you both had is over and you don't have any chemistry left. So this person started feeling this. But when you pulled your energy back, when you stopped putting in effort, then this person realized that the chemistry this person had with you, this person cannot have that chemistry with anybody else. Like, this person just can't have that kind of connection with anybody else because efforts, we need efforts. So this person isn't ready to put that efforts, and you were the one giving those efforts to this person. And now this person feels that they have lost the best person, they have lost the their best friend, and you even know them better than anyone. And this person is really thinking that why did I mess up, why did I do it? And them texting you, calling you is no surprise, no shock, because this person really wants to talk to you and want your energy back. So this person will try to contact you, and this person is really in this thing that what should I do, should I talk to you or not? And even if I'll talk to you, then what should I even say? So this person is thinking this and is regretting and is thinking all those memories that this person had with you. This person feels that maybe you felt this person feels that this person acted so good and everything. There is regret, but there is always a question on you that why did you feel so much bondage in this relationship? Like, this person was like that you were the best person that I knew in this world and you love me so much, so why did you feel any bondage? I didn't tell you to love me, so why are you blaming me? But this person knows inside his or her heart that who was in the wrong at first. So this person is thinking that a relationship is between two people, so both of them are at guilt. Why only this person is regretting it, and why aren't you contacting this person? There is also this thing, because that ego clash is there. But this person deeply knows in his or her that heart that nobody can love you, nobody can love this person the way you love them, and they really miss you and they really want to get back together with you. And they are seeking your forgiveness, but they also want to keep their stand that even you did wrong. Yeah, so expect a message from them soon. Bye bye, lovely souls. Radhe Radhe.